Hi, I'm Kdramas. How did the vowels in Korean come about? Let's learn how vowels are made. Korean vowels are made up of three elements. Three elements are dot, horizontal line, and vertical line. This dot means sky. Horizontal line means ground. Vertical line means humans. 사람, 하늘. Ground, 땅. Humans, 사람. These three meanings are put together to compose of vowels. In other words, if you combine a point, a dot, and a horizontal line, we can make O. This one put together, we can pronounce it O. If you combine a dot and a vertical line, then O. We can pronounce O. If you combine a horizontal line and a dot, then we can make oo. Let's pronounce it together. If you combine the vertical line and a dot, then and this one okay? Let's pronounce it together. O dot and horizontal line, O dot and vertical line, U horizontal line and dot, vertical line and dot. With these principles, we can make various vowels in Korean.